Lesson study recognizes the central importance and the difficulty of teaching and is a process that allows teachers to come together to actually bring to life standards, frameworks, and best practices. Rather than looking for magic strategies, lesson study allows teachers to push one another to deepen our capacity within context with our students and with our practice. So the lesson study cycle is similar to a ROSI cycle or to an inquiry cycle, where teachers begin with a research question, then do some research, whether that's in bringing in experts. Later you'll see an example of us bringing in Mari Jones, an expert from High Tech High, to come to one of our public lessons. Do some shared reading, look at student work, speak to experts in the field, other ways of building our own content knowledge, and then practice. So trying small hacks, trying things out, and sharing our experiences, all the way towards culminating in a final public lesson, which is a shared collaborative lesson that teachers will choose one of the team members to teach while the other team members watch, and really watch, observing for specific evidence related to student thinking. That allows a process for reflection and revision to then lead to the next theory of action, the next inquiry question. An important part of the public research lesson is the observation followed by the discussion and the analysis, the meaning that is made from watching that public lesson. So here are a couple clips of the instructor, Molly, reflecting after her public lesson, and the lesson study team and invited guests sharing some conversation and analysis about what they saw and what their next steps might be in terms of for teaching and learning.
We're going to take the time now to hear from Molly as an instructor's reflection. She's going to address her own reflections on the lesson and the research question and theory of action, and any surprises or difficulties that occurred in the lesson that we might not have been able to see. And then after that, we're going to take a look at each other's in a gallery walk and then come back for a final fishbowl conversation here at the front.
And I'm seeing and hearing them use some of the academic sentence frames with more purpose. Because when it started, all they would say is like, can you elaborate on that? And it's such an easy one. And they've got that, and I still heard it today. But I also heard, what does that mean to you? How can we build on that idea?
And I think that ties in really importantly to their social emotional learning that happens, especially in adolescence, and thinking about credibility of sources, but also like the integrity of your words. And that's something that is just like, as we're listening to other people, what you had said, and then sharing the information and going back to the original source, these are all behavior patterns that make us as community members, have to have integrity. And so it's really important, even if I don't identify as a journalist, realizing the power of my words and how I will take that as a community member. Because a lot of the students, or some of the students I was listening to, weren't necessarily engaging as journalists, and maybe that comes up more in the writing. They were engaging as researchers and also as community members, and saying, Sylvia's reflection was, this affects me because this story could be my own. And I'm thinking, I just paraphrased her just to be clear. That was not a direct quote. But she she took it and she was having an aha moment of like, this really does impact my life and my community. And that's what we want for them.